Hi, all. I'm going to discuss about the project of customer relationship management system. These are the table of contents we need to discuss. Project analysis, alternative solution, project design and development, integration and system, final evaluation, future work and conclusion. These are my teammates. And now I'm going to discuss about the topic of project analysis. This is the introduction of the project. A web-based customer relation management application is a software solution designed to assist a business in managing their interactions and relations with the customers. It allows the organizers to maintain a record of customer details, track communication and interaction, and manage leads and sales, and they provide the customer supports. The application can be accessed from any devices with the internet connectivity via web browser. A CRM or web application is a valuable resource for a business for all the size of enhance the customer relationships, improve customer satisfaction, and increase revenue growth. And then now I'm going to discuss about the objectives of the project. The objectives of the SRM is a web application is help the business to improve the relationship with the customers by providing center locations to manage the customer interaction and information. The application aims to increase the customer satisfaction, retention, and ultimately drive revenue growth by enabling business to provide the better customer service, personally interactions, and make a data-driven decisions and based on the customer insights. And then my friend will continue.
Venkatesh, you are on mute.
Hi, I discuss the functional requirements, ability to store and manage customer data, such as a contact information, purchase history and support tickets, tools for managing leads and tracking sales opportunities, integration with email and other communication channels for managing customer interactions, reporting and analysis features to track customer behavior and performance, customization options to tailor the application to the specific needs to for the business. On next slide. Non-functional requirements. Security features to protect the customer data from unauthorized access or the data breaches. Scalability to the handle a growing number of users and data volume. Availability and reliability to ensure the application is accessible and functional at all times. Usability and user experience to ensure the application is easy to use and navigate. Performance and speed to ensure the application can handle high traffic and data processing demands. Coming to SDLC, SDLC software development life cycle is a logical process that produces framework for the developer that to the plan produces and develop high quality software based on the demand and goals of the client. Producing high quality, cost and effective producers is the major objective of the SDLC process. The procedure includes through a plan outlining how to create, maintain and replace the software. Here is the SDLC lifecycle process. There are 6 steps: analysis, design, implementation, testing, integration, and maintenance. Here is the and continue, my friend.
Hey everyone. This is the block diagram for the project. At first, we need to launching the EC2 instance, and we need to edit the inbound rules in the security groups, and then we need to form the application from mission to EC2, and then testing the application after establishing connection with RDS. And then we need to deploy and configure the two ngres and GUCon softwares, and then we need to activate MySQL RDS, and we need to add the MySQL or inbound rules to MySQLs, and we need to establish the connection with server. This is the overall block diagram for the project. And there are some features that are there are 4 features that are contact management, sales management, customization and integration, mobile access, The contact management is the ability to store and organize customer information such as contact details, interactions, and notes. It will collect all the data about the customer. And the sales management will be able to manage the leads and deals and sales pipelines, as well as track revenue and forecast future sales. And the customization and integration is the ability to customize the CRM to fit the specific needs of the business and integrate with other systems such as marketing, automation tools, or software. And the mobile access, the ability to access the CRM from mobile devices, allowing on the management of customer interaction and data. And coming to the technologies, we are using total 6 technologies to develop this project, that are HTML. The HTML used for the page layouts, and the CSS is the cascading style sheet for the designing part. And we have used the JavaScript for the entire script. And we are using the coding of Python libraries, and all the business logic units will be implemented in Python. And we are using the SQLite for the database, and Django is for the framework. And coming to these are we are coming with Windows. We are coming with the Windows operating system. The entire project will be running through Windows system, and we are using Python 3.7 version and pip and Django. And it is comfortable with the Linux also. We can run the project through Linux, whether through Macs or Windows. But in the next slide, will continue, my friend.
Yeah, coming to the development project, development module. Here we are connecting to EC instance. We have created the instances by using the in the Amazon AWS portal. We created the instance like my dear project, my DCC project. So next slide. Yeah, after that we are launching the instances and we are making it as instance is running. So the instance is running with the different inbound rules and different ICC protocol rules. Yes, please. In the instances, the instance ID is running with network details and path. You can give private IP, DVS, IP addresses, subjects, and all we can give. So it was it's like status is also checked past previously, so it's running. And now this instance is clearly running. So yes, please. Coming to the storage, we are storing customers data, so we are using a large volume of data to be shared. So we are using a large several databases to store the data. Yes. After the status checks, so we have to state after the completion of their instance running, we have to check the status of the instances. Like system status is system mechanical check passed, so it has passed the system accessibility check. So after that, instance status checks, instant check pass is also passed. Yes, please. So in the security groups, we have given the inbounds and outbounds rules for the instances, so we uh, can easily create a different type of security groups for accessing different type of customers. Yes, please. So previously, as I said, here we are given the inbound rules and outbound rules for the protocols and custom source descriptions and delimiters, customer TCP, and one is like MySQLite, and another one is traffic. And we are given the same source as like custom for the rest of all the three rules. And we are clicking into the save rules, and we are if you want to add again another rule, so we have to add another add rule. So we don't we already add three rules, like, so we don't need to add any rules. So we have to click the save rules and we have to run these rules. Next, please. Next. Next. Yeah, here we are creating the database in the MySQL as Saikuma suggested. Like we are using the database like MySQL. So we create the database like standard create database. Next. Yeah, we are using the same rules with the role instance and design with MySQL connectivity. We are connecting the MySQL connectivity to the AWS RDS relation database system, AWS relation database management system. So we are giving the identifier tray as a database identifier as database one. Yeah, in the database one, we are given we have to given the connectivity and security monitoring and log events configuration and maintenance backups. So in the initially we are given the connecting and security like endpoint port network security. Next. Yeah, here we are in as we use the MySQL database like connecting, right here we are creating the database customer relationship management database. So we run the query like create database customer relationship management. After that we are using this customer relationship management uh, table database by using the use keyword. After that we have to show the tables, what are the tables present in those databases. So we use the show tables in this customer relationship management database. So after that we have to describe the customer accounts customer. So in the table we are getting the customer accounts, so we have to describe the what are the type of customer what are type of the customer accounts we have there. So we are describing the customer order of the customers and customer orders. So here are the table field id, uh, data created, status, manual and type. We are giving the begin one, double char. So we are where variable char is like status, count is one, b count is one, where char character 20. Their field length is like null, sometimes is no, sometimes is yes. Default we are given the default field for that. So extra is like is a field name like auto increment. Yes, please. So in this video, I am explaining the how we created the instances and how we are running the uh, instances. So yeah, we are given all the inbound and outbound rules for the particular instance. So what are we are going to create for the my DCC project? We are creating instance for this. So we are running the if you want to edit the inbound rules, you can use it. We can edit it, and we are going to running it by using the launch instances and network instances, and all the network instances data are given here. Networking network is different, is like the given details. The storage we are going to store the different database. And monitoring we are going to monitor the thing data and details of the security and connecting and security, replication, proxies, connecting, and all the details are given in these databases. So CloudWatch also here, alarm configuration. So by using these commands, we are going in the Linux. I mean, like Ubuntu, we are going to execute these commands and successfully install Python. We install the Python Django framework and collecting these databases and and all these things we have to cover. Data Django framework by using the Python framework. So we need to get the data from the backend. So by using for testing, we use the QRM site for super users whose account is user, so super user. So you want to use GNU configuration, running status is successful, and here we score like HTTP protocols code. Those are, yeah, yeah, like yes, like Sai Kumar said, we used the Python code for that. So from here from Django the contribution imports, it imports and admin from the Django framework, and Django framework is completely like URLs import. You are importing path include, and we are including different header files from Django framework. We are getting the Django contribution link. If we are importing, and we are define main here main, we are in this main. If we are imported OS or other system files and import system systems documents here. Um, we are defining a main here, defining a set default is like environment. OS, the system OS, we are currently setting in the system OS environment to Django testing module to header files. After that, portfolio specifications and default alignment and Cura. These are the testing modules we are going to cover here. Last file addresses and admin dashboard or PNG. Define we are define we, here we are defining the string of self return. It returns the your name because your name is into the string only. So tag module.node is like character field modules. Different type of modules are the maximum length equal to 100, null equal to 3. Definition string of self, again we are returning of name. It will display the this name. If it is not our name, it will return to your name. After that class, we are creating a class like product of models like product. So in every table we are creating a table, right? So we are getting like that. Implementations comes with the, so what are the commands we are going to use, we have done for that. So cd clear the system data, cd cd to clear to create directory. So to create the change directory, make directory is like to create the directory for C Lata DCC, like we one of the teammates created these two. These are a lot of the things, and by using this mkdir exit, and by using this as instance code. So we app get update, we are updated the all the things of Ubuntu. So after that, what are the Jami release Jami, we also use the Jami, and for the Jami update we have to for the Django also we have by using the Python pip pins packages in Python. So we install all the packages present in the Python, and after that by using the Ubuntu we are download the Gunicon, very going Gunicon website, and all the app install unzip, you are unzip the Gunicon. And one next please. Yeah, after that we have used the Django framework. By using these are the Django framework. So we have created the NGS configuration file. In this Django configuration file, we have put Django configuration as default, so it cannot be overwritten. If you want to edit, you can make it a custom. Yes, please. This nesting slide by nesting mate will explain.
Hello. The testing and integration continue to assure the accuracy and functionality of a CRM web application. The first step is to identify the individual units, such as functions, methods, and classes, that need to be tested. Test cases should then be developed to validate each unit, including testing for boundary conditions, error handling, and performance. The unit testing process can be automated using a test framework to save time and assure that the testing is thorough. The test cases should be run to ensure that each unit is functioning correctly, and any issues that are identified during the testing process should be addressed by making changes to code, data structure, or business logic. Next, integration testing. To integrate and test a CRM web application, the first step is to identify its modules or components, which may include customer database, lead management system, sales tracking system, and customer support system. Test cases should be developed to ensure the interactions between the modules are valid and data consistency is maintained. A testing framework should be used to automate the testing process and ensure comprehensive and accurate results. The test cases should be run to ensure that the modules are integrated correctly. Any issues identified during the testing process should be fixed, which may require changes to the code data structure or business logic. Yeah. Here are the customer review. We can search the product name and status. Next slide will continue, my friend.
And coming to the evaluation, we have some pros and cons in the evaluation. Let's discuss about the pros first. Improved customer relationships. A CRM web application allows business to store customer information and track interactions with them, which helps to improving the customer relations. This is the way how to improve the customer relationships and increase the efficiency. The web application increases the streamline with the business process and automate the task, resulting in efficiency and productivity. And there is a better data management with the CRM web application. It can manage and analyze the customer data to gain insights and make informed business decisions. It will assure the business decisions with the correct way. And the remote access, the CRM web application are accessible from any device with an internet connection because it's deployed in the cloud. And coming to the cons, the cost of the application will be expensive because this is the cloud application. We need to store all the data in the cloud, so the it will be expensive some more. The complexity will be more to set up and specialize the knowledge with skills. And the data security concerns, this will be as this is the web-based application and we have some security risks and important for the security measures in place. And user adoption, getting employees to adopt a new CRM web application can be challenging, particularly if they are used to working with other tools or processes. And the next slide will be continued by friend.
Yeah, as they explained, everything has my team is. I'm gonna continue with the future work. Can you show me the slide, please? The future of CRM web applications involves several developments, including integration with artificial intelligence to enhance automation and predictive analytics. Personalization will also remain a key focus, leveraging data to provide tailored experience for customers. With the increasing use of mobile devices, CRM web applications will need to be optimized for mobile use and provide a seamless experience. Customer experience will continue to be prioritized with tools to manage customer interaction across multiple channels. Security will also be a top priority with more emphasis on protecting sensitive customer information. Additionally, integration with the Internet of Things will enable CRM web applications to collect and analyze data from various sources, providing insights into customer behavior and preferences. Can you show me other slide, please? Let's scroll it. Thank you. Coming to conclusion, CRM web applications are essential tool for managing customer relationships and streamlining business processes. They offer various features and benefits such as data organization, analytics, automation, and enhanced communication. However, they also come with their limitations and challenges such as high cost, complexity, and user adoption issues. As technology advances, future CRM web applications will continue to evolve and provide even more advanced features and capabilities, such as integration with AI, IoT, and mobile optimization. Overall, CRM web applications are crucial for business of all sizes to enhance customer relationships and achieve business successes. Thank you.